Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is MathSec. We are back with another video UA High School from TryhackMe. Before we dive in, a quick note. Many of you watch the videos but forget to subscribe. Your support motivates me to create more quality content, so please hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we'll be joining the mission to protect the digital world of superheroes at UA. The most renowned superhero academy. I'll show you how I solved this room, finding both user text and root.txt. Let's get started. Let me start my OpenVPN. Okay. Now start with an nmap scan. Nmap sc for default scripts, sv to enumerate the version. So we need an IP. Let's go to the browser and copy the IP from here and paste it over here. So on, we're gonna save this output as normal, and we're gonna save this file as initial. In nmap scan, we have found out that 22 and 80 is open, which is SSH and HTTP. We'll straight away open the browser and access the website. So just copy IP and paste it over here. Okay, if you look this website, it's just a static page. It doesn't have much functionality. If you click apply now, it's just redirects to the same page. And if you access a course, we don't have any other functions to play around. So what I've done is I've just clicked contact us. We have in contact form. In that too, we doesn't have the functionality to redirect to some other page. It's whenever we post a request, it will redirect to the same page. So what I want to do is I just want to check the hidden directories for this endpoint. So we'll use Feroxbuster. Feroxbuster. You tag for the URL, we'll paste it over here, and the word list is user share word list and sec list. So from that we're gonna use discovery and web content and common. I think we have common. Yeah, now enter. Okay, after a few minutes, we have found an interesting endpoint, which is index.php. So till now we have seen lots of HTML page, but this looks interesting for me. So I've just copied that, and let's go to browser and visit this website. So this just shows us an blank page. So I just wanted to check the parameters, whatever parameters we can access. So for that, I'm going to use fuf. So we're gonna paste the URL, which is this. Go to terminal and paste the URL here, and I'm just gonna put question mark, and we're gonna first this, and equal to, just gonna mention something like ID, and we're gonna mention the word list. So for that, again, user share word list, sec list, discovery, web content, and I think we have verb parameter. Yeah, verb parameter names.txt. So enter now. So I think I have made some mistakes, so it's running everything. So let's close this, because I didn't mention the content length, so I'm just going to mention it 0. Okay, after a few minutes, we have found there is an command parameter which we have access. So let's go here and put question mark command equal to ID. So we have an base 64 encoded encoded text. So we'll just go here, cyberchef base 64 64. From base 64, we're gonna paste this in here. So we have the ID. So now what I want to do is let's check that we can check whether this has a netcat. So which NC, so this shows some content, so I think this has a netcat. So we'll go straight away to hack tools. Go for reverse shell, and in that copy the netcat shell. Just copy that and just disable this. I want to URL encode this, so URL encode. I'm going to paste my payload over here and encode all special characters. So I'm just going to copy this and let's go to command and paste it over here. So now go to terminal and nc lbnp, the port which we have entered is 4848. Now enter. So now go to browser and enter here. So this is loading, so that's a good sign. I think we should have nav and shell. What we can do is we'll try to upgrade this shell to bash. So just gonna import and pty spawn and double quotes ben bash, close the double quotes, close the bracket, and single quotes, enter. So now we have upgraded this shell to bash. Now what we can do is we'll export term equal to xterm and control Z, then stty raw echo fg. So we are bringing back the the process again, and enter. So now we have a stable shell. So just try to analyze what it is in this box. So we have index.php. So let's carry it out how this works. Cat index.php, enter. So this is getting a command, and after executing the value, it's encoding the value. That's how this works. Let's see, we have any other interesting things. So we have images. So cd images. Cd images. So ls. So we have u.jpg and one for all.jpg. If you go here on the website, this image is an ue.jpg, but this one for all jpg we didn't see anywhere. So we'll just go here, go to our local mission. So wget, we need an ip. So just first copy the ip, go to terminal and paste the URL here, and we need one for all.jpg, enter. So now we have downloaded this JPEG successfully here, and we'll check what we have. EOG for all JPEG. So we couldn't look this file. So for that, what we can do, file for all JPG. So this has JPG and some it's also contain data. So that for that, what we can do, we'll try to xxd one for all JPG, and we need head, enter. So if you see here, this is an file signature for PNG. So that's why we couldn't view this, JPG file. So what we can do, we'll search in browser, file signatures, and then we have a Wikipedia page, list of file signatures, and just search JPG, and this is the one. If you go here and copy that, now X editor and one for JPG, enter. So now we need to change this. Just copy and paste it. Don't think we have changed it. Let's see. Okay, we'll change manually. I couldn't copy and paste. So which is FFD8FFE0, which is FFD8FFE0 and 00104846. Minimize this. Okay, now 00104846. Now 49460001. Okay, now save this. For saving, it is Control X and enter. Now ls, now file, one for jpg, so now it is jpeg. Now eog, one for all jpg, enter. Okay, now we can view this image. So I think this image should have some hidden files. For that we can check. Close this. Steg, hide, extract, like hide extract sf to mention the file one for all jpg, enter. So it requires a password, so I'm just giving empty, so we couldn't extract this. So let's see. Let's go to the shell. We can find somewhere else. So if you search here, if you go back of this directory and ls this, we have hidden contents. So in that directory we will find the phrase. So hidden content, enter. And I'm gonna ls. Okay, so I've messed up. Hidden content, enter. Okay, now we are in the directory and we have this passphrase. So just get this out. So this is base 64 encoded. Just gonna see echo, paste this password, and base 64 echo. So this is the phrase. Just copy that, go to your local machine and enter. So just paste the password here and again enter. So we have extracted data credits.txt successfully. Now ls, we have that file in our local directory. So cat creds.txt, enter. So this looks like we have an SSH credentials for user Deku. So now SSH Deku at the IP, we'll go to browser, and I think I have opened a notepad, so we don't need that. Just copy the IP and paste it over here. And yes, so the password is this, so copy that and paste it over here. Okay, now we are successfully got the SSH access for Deku. Now we'll check sudo l and paste the password again, enter. Now we can run this as a root, super user. So just copy that and check what it is. So this is actually a bash file. So what happens here is this prints the banner and reads the feedback from the user, and it blocks few special characters. So if you see here, backslash, ampersand, open brackets, and piping, the semicolons. So those special characters are blocked. So what happens here is if these characters are present in the user input, means this will provide this invalid input. Please provide a valid input. If it doesn't, so this will go through eval function, and this will execute this feedback command. So let's try this. So sudo paste it here, enter. So now what we can do here is we'll try echo temp. I think we already are in echo, so we just mentioned temp. We're gonna save this and temp test.txt and enter. So let's check cd temp ls. Yeah, we have this text.txt. So we can write a file and also we can check ls la, so that the test.txt is created by the root. So now what we can do here is we can create any file or modify any file which is present in the local machine using a root privilege. So now we'll again run this script, and before that we can generate ssh keygen the RSA, enter. So I just want to save this as id RSA, enter. The phrase 123, enter. 123, enter. Okay, now ls we have id RSA and id RSA public key, so we'll just give the necessary permissions for id RSA first. So id RSA, enter. Okay, now cat id RSA pub, enter. We have this public key, just copy that, go to SSH, now paste this public key here. Okay, I have did something wrong. So what I've did is I've copied the extra spaces, so that's the reason it has completed completed the command. So now again run this script. Now I'm just gonna copy from here, copy and go to SSH, just paste that public key, and now we're gonna save this file into root.ssh, and we're gonna save this file as authorized keys, enter. Okay, we saved this file successfully. So now we go back to our local machine. Now ssh root, before that we need to get the id RSA. So id RSA root at we need the IP over here, copy that and paste it over here, enter. So we need the phrase which is 123, enter. Now we have successfully got the root access. If you ls, we have the root flag. So this is the easy way to root this box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.